Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Patrika. Welcome to GLOBO and Mixing Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, I'm gonna address one of the most common thing that happened to me as well, and maybe it happened to you as well, and it's really important for us to make money online with print on demand or for making money online in general. So I'm going to cover that particular thing. So before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. And also if you want free stuff, the free resources, the free graphics, creative interiors, then we have recently made a new platform that is globocreative.com, on which you can go on that website and click on the freebie section and can download the various different freebies that we have on that platform. And each month we will gonna update with more freebies, so make sure to check it out on each month. The link of that. Now let's talk about the main part. Talking about that particular thing is that people keep on consuming a lot of the content. Like they think that if they are consuming a lot of content, then they would get started with something. No, that's not the reality. Do you really need another print on demand video for you to get started with making money online with your print on demand business? No. The reality is that no, you don't need it. Of course, if you are a complete newbie and you don't know how to get started with that, there are a many tutorials on the YouTube guys, and also I have made a bunch of the videos talking about the print on demand, talking about the Redbubble, Teepublic, various other website. And if you wanna know about the information, and if you're a complete beginner or a newbie, then you can check out in the art section above guys. But if you know how it works and what are the things that you need to do to work it for you, then what are you looking for? Like, what are you waiting for? You need to get started with right now. Take action, because nothing can happen without taking action. It happened to me many times guys. When I was starting with the print on demand, I used to consume a lot of content, and for the months and months I just keep that business on hold. I didn't get started with that because I've been thinking a lot, I was researching a lot, I was reading a lot, and I was watching these YouTube videos and consuming a lot of content without actually taking an action. And nothing happened without even taking a single action. So you need to take an action to get the things working for you. This is the very important point for me to cover, because I see that people don't take action. And most of the comments that I've been getting, and few of the questions I've been getting in my DMs as well, like people are DMing me in my own GLOBO ARTE Instagram page as well, or in my own personal art page as well. And they've been asking me like, and do you need this amount of designs to get started with that? How many designs do you need to get started with that? Or how much you can expect to make? And all those questions are rising in them. Although I've made a bunch of the videos talking about this particular thing, but still people are confused. Like they think that, no, they need to upload this amount of designs to get this amount of results. I want to tell you, to all those people who are still confused, who don't know how many designs they need to upload to get started with that, or which are the right platforms for them, or what are the things that they need to do to make big money from that, I want to tell you guys, nothing happened overnight. You need to get started with it right now, today, in this current moment. If you are procrastinating, thinking that you're gonna take action the next month, the next day, or next year, whatever it is, if you are procrastinating a lot, thinking that you are not ready right now, thinking that you are not good enough to get started with making these designs and uploading them on the Redbubble or any other print on demand website, then I want to tell you guys, you are good enough to get started with that. You don't need a designer experience to get started with that. You don't need to be a designer or an artist. Like, although I am an artist and designer, I know that aspect, but you don't need to be a designer or artist to get started with that. Just get started with that. There are so many videos in the YouTube online space regarding these print on demand. There are so many distractions, and people just consuming a lot of content. They don't know how to get started with that in the first place. Watch a video, get a basic idea of what's working for that particular website, and just get started with it. If you are procrastinating a lot and not taking an action, then nothing will going to happen for you. And thinking that you need to upload 1,000, and thinking that you need to upload thousands of designs to get thousands of dollars each month into your bank account, then obviously you need to get started with that in the first place. If you're procrastinating and thinking that it will going to happen someday, or maybe you're gonna get started with the next month, then it won't ever going to happen guys. It won't be happening for you. So you need to get started with that. And there are no quick numbers, there are no real secrets or no strategies that this particular website you're gonna be rich the next month, or you're gonna be making $1,000 each month. There is no quick fix, there is no shortcut tips guys, and that's the reality. The only thing is that you need to get started with in this current moment. Only onto the mobile phone or watching this on a computer, whatever device you're using, go onto the Google Chrome and type that particular website and sign up on that and start uploading design right now just after watching this video. Do not procrastinate more. Do not think that you need to have one more video to get started with that, or do you need one more information, one more sneaky tactic to get started with making money online with your print-on-demand business. Do not think that, guys, because there are no secrets. There is nothing like that. There is no real numbers that will going to tell you to upload like thousands of designs to make $1,000. There is nothing more like that, guys. I couldn't emphasize more because I've been getting a lot of the comments. In fact, like few days back only, I got one of the DM, and that DM was like kind of like related to this particular thing only. And that person has been watching my videos for the past 4 to 5 months and still researching, still want a lot of the content, a lot of the videos regarding that particular topic to get started with that. Now, I'm not against that particular person. I'm not telling bad about that. I'm just telling that that person is procrastinating a lot and it isn't getting started with that. And if they don't get started with that, then how are they gonna make money from it? How are they gonna learn from it? If you're not only doing it, then how are you gonna think that you're gonna learn from it, you're gonna make good money from it? You need to get started with it in the first place to make some sort of money from it. Then only you can see to expect to make $1,000 or $10,000, whatever is your goal, to make that much amount of money from your print on demand. So I hope that this video makes some sense, because I've been getting a lot of the comments and people asking me like, oh, how much designs do I need to upload? I've been looking at your videos, I'm watching your videos from the past 6 months, 7 months, but I didn't get started yet because I have a question how many designs I need to upload, which platform is right, and yeah. Then I told them you just need to get started with that. Pick up one platform and upload your design. Don't wait for another video or don't watch another video, because you're just procrastinating. You're not getting started with that. And if you're not getting started with that, then how you can expect to make money from it? Think of that, guys. That's the purpose of this video, guys. I hope it makes some sense to you. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you want more such content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So whenever I'm gonna upload more such, you'll be get notified about it. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.